Good morning, guys. This is me again, Charm, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday, May 3rd, and we are now in our 48th day of ECQ. And today I'm going to be sharing how to make alcogel from scratch. Malalaman po natin how is it made and the reason why it becomes thick and kung bakit siya nagiging antibac, ano yung mga ingredients na ginagamit para makapatay siya ng germs. So, let's start the formulation. Let's put first 300 ml of water. We're going to make 1 liter of alcogel, so 300 ml of distilled water, and then let's prepare our carbopol or our thickening agent. Ito yung reason kung bakit nagiging gel-like yung ating alcogel. This is carbopol. We need to make sure that it is strained. Kailangan natin siyang strain para hindi makasama yung mga buo-buo. And for that, maging maayos yung consistency ng ating alcogel. Ibababad lang po natin for like 10 minutes. As you can see, na-absorb yung powder ng water at nagiging gel na siya. Para po siyang gelatin. Pag gumagawa tayo ng gelatin, ganyan din po yung nangyayari. That's the reaction. I-mix lang po natin hanggang ma-incorporate yung powder doon sa ating distilled water. And then we will put our 800 ml of alcohol or ethanol. Sorry, hindi ko na napakita. May ethanol yan. To fight bacteria and viruses. Ethanol is 90% solution. So, talagang makakapatay siya ng germs. And then, we put distilled water. Kaya, pag nagawa siya, magiging 70% solution na lang. Kasi nga, may distilled water na. And then, after that, we will put our colorant. This is optional. But since, alam niyo naman ako, Miss Lavender, gusto ko mabango yung aking hand sanitizer or alcogel. Yan, that's my scent, the lavender scent. But that's optional because hindi naman siya importante. Malalaman po natin na authentic yung ating alcogel once naamoy po natin. Yung una nating maaamoy is yung alcohol. That means it's authentic alcogel. And then let's put the final ingredients, which is the thiamine. That's our viscosity agent. Yan yung reason kung bakit siya nagiging thick or nagbabind siya. That's the binding solution, by the way. Yan, mas lumapot. On the first step, we put the carbopol, parang nag-gel type siya. Ito mas malapot nung dinagdagan natin ng thiamine. Yan na po, lumalapot na siya. Continue mixing hanggang mahalo na ang lahat. Okay, and here's the finished product. After that, yan, tapos na po. I-prepare na lang natin yung ating container.
We're going to transfer it to the
We'll transfer
container.
it.
This is 1 liter of our alcogel.
There you go. That's the finished product. Okay, and we will transfer it in our 1 liter PET bottle.
Natin siya. Transfer here.
Yan, ito transfer na. Sorry, wala tayong funnel. Medyo kalat-kalat po siya. But that's for personal use only. Ayan na po yung ating alcogel solution. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you find this helpful and interesting, don't forget to click like and
Ito na po
subscribe,
yung ating
or you can also
alcogel
share this. And if you have
finished
questions
product.
about the formulation and the ingredients, don't hesitate to email me or DM me through Instagram, or send me private message to FB page or through FB. Thank you so much for your time watching this tutorial, and have a blessed Sunday. Bye!